How to add a logo on WordPress. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a tutorial on how to add a logo on WordPress. So let's get started. First, what you have to do is you will simply go to wordpress.com or maybe your hosting platform wherever you are hosting WordPress. You will open up your WordPress and open up the dashboard of the website that you are creating. This is the website that I have, and you can see this is my admin. Today I'll show you how we can update the logo for our website. You can see I do not have any logo for my website that I have on WordPress. So that's what we will cover today, and I'll show you how to add a logo. It's really easy to do. First of all, you will open up your admin or you can go to your site. Then let's actually go from here and I'm going to visit my website. Alright, so this is the website I have right now. You can see it's like as a beginner I do not have anything added to this website yet. It's just a test website, but you will see your website right here, and then we have this customize option. So I'm going to click on customize, and then we have all of these different options given here. This is where we customize our, WordPress website, and I'll be able to add different elements to my website. We have site identity, headers, footers, backgrounds, typography, buttons, layout, menu, widget, homepage setting, and WooCommerce as well. So you can now, customize your website, but we're focusing on customizing our logo. So for that, I'm going to go to the site identity. And once you click on site identity, it opens up the logo for you. You can see it has my site title and a tagline, which is like the default tagline right now. And I can just, change the tagline as well. But this is where I will be adding my logo. So to enter the logo or to add the logo, just click on select logo, and it will open up the library that we have on WordPress. If you haven't uploaded your logo yet, what you can do is you can go to upload files and select file from your computer. The maximum upload files should be 100 MB. Suggested image dimension is 47 by 110 pixels. So keep in mind, this is the logo size. Why this is important, I will just show you in a minute. Even if you are looking to create a logo, how you can create a logo for WordPress and then use it on your website. So I have uploaded my logo already. I'm going to select it from here. Now it will show me my image, and you can see we have edit image option and delete permanently as well. So if I want to edit the image, I'm just going to click on edit, and it will take me to the edit media option. And here what I can do is I can just edit my logo a little bit within my WordPress. So we actually saw the size 470 by 110. So that's what I'm going to do. 470. So we can just customize the size if we want from new dimensions here, but I'm not going to do that for now. Then we have image crop, thumbnail settings. So this is where also I can change the thumbnail for my image. We can also add a caption or a description. This is for a basic media, but when it comes to a logo, we don't actually do a lot with the logo, or we do not add a description because it's going to be adding as a logo. So this is how you can also edit the media. If you're done with the media editing, you can just go back, and that's what I'm going to do. I will just select it, and then I'm just going to click on select. This is the URL of the, image as well. And we get the crop option again. So I'm just going to crop my logo a little bit. Okay, perfect. So now I can just click on crop image, and it will be cropped and it will be added. So you can see this is the logo for my website now, and you can see it will be shown here. We can of course change the size as well. As I showed you, the size should be 470 by 110. So you can create a logo like this of this size on Canva. That's what I also do. I can just go to canva.com, which is an online designing tool, and it will allow me to design my logo. If you do not have a logo, just go to Canva, and then you're going to click on create logo, or you go for a custom size, and you're going to go for 470 by 110. 10 and click on create new design and design your logo on Canva first, and then you can go to your WordPress website and upload the image as I did. Now if I want to change my logo, let's say I created a new one, I updated, I can change my logo from here. Let's move on to the next option, which is the site icon. Now a lot of people get confused that what is the difference between a site icon and a site logo. Well, site logo is actually the logo we see on the website, and site icon is different. Site icons are what you see in browser tabs, bookmark bars, and within the WordPress mobile apps. So if you see, for example, you can see right here like my bookmarks, or like for WordPress, this is the site icon right here. This is the YouTube icon. This is not a logo of the website. So if you want to have such kind of icon for your website, you can upload it right here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna again upload the same image as my site icon as well. So I'm just gonna select it from here. And again, we have all of the different options, but I'm gonna not do that. And keep in mind, you can see the pixels of site icon are different than site logo. So we have 225 by 211. And what I'm gonna do now is I'm just gonna, select the image. Again, we can crop it, and this is the view of my site icon. You can see preview as a browser icon. So this is what an icon is. This is not a logo. I'm gonna crop image and add an icon as well so that you can see the difference between a logo and an icon. So we have also updated the icon for our website, and you can see now my website has this icon right here. So you can also update the icon, and this is where you will be updating the logo. Again, if you want to create a site icon as well, you can resize your image with Canva. Again, just go to Canva, and it is an online tool. You can go to canva.com. Again, if you're not familiar with it, I just realized maybe a lot of people will not be familiar with Canva. So you can just go to canva.com and sign up with your Google account or email address. Very easy platform to use. I personally use it for my logos and icons. That is why I wanted to show you guys that as a complete beginner, you can create your logos here. So even for the icon, I can now select a width and size, and I will be able to upload the icon here. Once you're done with your logo, you can just go back and it will be updated. So it's right here in site identity. Now I can move on and I can change my header. Of course, this is in header as well. I can go to header now, and what I can do is I can change my header design as well a little bit so that I can adjust with my logo. Then we have other things as well to add to our website. We have buttons, we have typographies, layouts, menus, widgets, and more. So we can also update logos with themes if we want, and if a theme has a place for the logo, then we will be able to customize it. Let's say that I have added the logo. If I want to customize it again, I can just click on this pencil right here, which is the edit, and it will directly open up the logo settings for me, and I can remove my logo or change my logo from here. We can also get a mobile view for this one, and this is what it will look like. You can see this is my logo. It is pretty big right now. As I showed you, I did not adjust the size for now. That is why it's a little big, but it can be it will be a little small and next to the menu. This is a mobile view, this is a tablet view, and this is going to be a desktop or a laptop view for you guys. And this is what a logo looks like on WordPress. I actually gave you a very thorough insight into how to upload and add a logo on WordPress so that you do not have any confusion whatsoever on what to add, what is the difference between a site logo or a site icon. I even showed you how you can create a logo using Canva. So it's really easy, and I hope this tutorial was a big help to you guys, and now you know how to add a logo on your WordPress website. So now we have a website. I can just click on publish, and my professional website will be published with my own logo, which is going to be the identity for my website and for my business. I hope this video was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.